Out here is a nice garden. It's a beautiful garden. So I kind of found this place accidentally too for a good price. When I first moved here, I was living out of a hotel for a couple days, close to a week, and I didn't want to keep paying that price. So I luckily stumbled across this place, and this is the place I'm doing a tour at. I'm going up to the roof right now, but you will see this later in the video. I'll tell you how much I paid for it later in the video, just like them other YouTubers do you. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm trying to do. Get that watch time up a little bit. But hey, just check the video. Talk to me though, man. Yeah, we here now, man. We got to do a quick condo tour. I'm gonna take y'all through where I live. I won't have the sunglasses on our video. I actually shooting the intro to this video after I did everything. I'm weird like that. Over here is a cool little pond. Not a pond, like a nice little, out here is a nice garden. It's a beautiful garden. You see nice water, nice green space. Another good place where you can come and chill, man. Come chill, hang out, enjoy the views. Give you a quick view of that. Hey man, that's real quick. I'm gonna show you this guy's real quick. Right here, man, we got automated car parking. Somebody's parking their car right now. It's cool, man. You just drive in there and park. Then it parks by itself. It takes it up to your spot. And one more thing is this hotel got a good shuttle. Take a shuttle down to the BTS, the Lotus. So you don't have to walk to the BTS, or you have to get a ride or whatever. Then you know it's gated. It's 3 different towers. First tower right there. Second tower right here. Third tower right there. You know, I don't know if you guys are gonna be driving here or not, but I thought I should give you that information. And here's the entrance. Here's the entrance. You walk in. It's a nice lobby. So you come in. Here's the lobby. Nice little lobby. You know what I'm saying, for this tower. You go right here, pick your mail up from right there. I mean, if you got packages, not like letters and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So here's the mail room right here. You come right here and get your mail. I'm gonna give you one little tip, man. If you ain't got a Thai bank account, then you get your bills sent here, and you can go to 7-Eleven and pay your bills, man. They'll scan it for you. Your agent will help you get set up on your internet and your power and stuff like that. So that's a good thing about having an agent. They really do help you. But you'll come from the lobby, and you'll go straight to the elevator. We're in the elevator right now. Nice elevator. It's a nice building, man. Pretty good amenities in this building. I'm not gonna lie to you. So let's go up to the first floor where some of the amenities are on. Get a key card. You need a key card to do everything in this building. So all right. So now we're on the 8th floor. Where some of the amenities at right here. So let me turn the camera around, show the kitchen off. On the 8th floor too. Yeah, man, it's a nice kitchen. Pretty nice refrigerator. Pretty nice size refrigerator. You guys come in, you know, boom, sit right there, have a blast, cook something up, man, have fun. This is what you pay for. Use the amenities. I haven't used it just yet. I'm really busy, man. Like, I don't really have time for anything, but I'm gonna walk out and give you just a tour, walking with the camera, with the amenities on this floor. That's another room. It's some people in there working and stuff. So this is 2 other lounges right here, or like co-working spaces. I don't want to go in because people working. I don't want to talk, you know, whatever. Like, just a respect thing, man. And this is what the whole floor of this amenities look like. This is the pool room I showed you earlier, or will be showing you later in the video. We'll go in there. This is the room for the kids right here. And that's the theater room. All of this is on the 8th floor. So you get good bang for your bucks here. Right down here, we got a pool room right here, man. Not a pool room, but it's a pool table. You know, a good place to come chill, hang out, whatever, with your friends, family, you know, your girl, your boy. Then you got I love these because every one of these rooms here, and most, like the gym and everything, got that. And what that is, like, you can connect your music up to it, and you can listen to your music out loud, man. But let me give you the view of this room. Let me be quiet for a second. You know, it's hard for me. It's hard for me to be quiet, man. But I mean, listen, though, man. That's what y'all. I'm gonna hope y'all watch me because I like that brand in my mouth, bro. But yeah, man, I'm sorry, man. It's not gonna be 100% professional. Like, like some of my stuff gonna be professional, but don't expect everything to be professional, man, because I have enough being professional in my professional life, man. Like, I do a lot of different things, man, and like, I don't want to like have to talk professional and all the time, man. Like sometimes I just wanna, you know what I'm saying? Like just be me sometimes, man. Now we entering the kids' playroom. This little room right here for the kiddies, man. If you got any kids, man, you can come in here, hang out with the kids, bring them in here. Got a couple books and stuff over here. It's a nice little room for the kids. Again, you can plug the music up right here. Get your jam on, man. But listen, man, don't be playing that crazy stuff in front of. Actually do what you want to. They're your kids, but just don't hurt them. Here's the other co-worker space. I don't want to be too loud. Someone's over there working, guys. I had to come in and get the video. I got to do what you got to do, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to live that life, trying to be like that, man. I'm trying to get this for my viewers and everybody, you know what I'm saying? So, got to do what you got to do sometimes. Sometimes you got to be in uncomfortable environments. You know what I'm saying? You cannot get better in life if you don't want to be uncomfortable. It does have a theater here. I can't tell if it's open or not. I don't want to just pull on the door or anything like that. But you can rent the theater out, you know, have a nice little movie night or something like that, man. Get creative, man. I know. Get creative with your dates, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't have to spend all that money all the time, but sometimes you do. Now we're about to go up to the other amenities on the top floor. And that's where it gets good at, man. This is one of the main reasons why I came here, man. I really came here because I kind of needed somewhere to move to. I was living in a hotel, man. And the place I wanted to go to was full. So, look at that sexy creature. But yeah, I wanted to go to another place, but I couldn't get in there until February, March, and I wanted a place then. I didn't want to keep on paying for no hotel, you know what I mean? Oh, I'm going to the wrong floor. I didn't want to keep paying for a hotel, right? Now these views right here are the views I die for, I live for. I will steal your candy and your money for views like this. Nah, I'm not a thief, man. It's beautiful, man. Just look at it. We're just gonna walk down the whole side of the pool, man. That's one pool right there. Infinity pool, obviously. You see the views over here. And it's not like in the city, right? You know, I'm in own new area. So a little bit out the city a little bit, but I'm in the perfect place. Perfect place for me. Like, look at this pool, man. Look at everywhere you can sit out here. Imagine bring your girl out here or your man out here and y'all having a great time, man. But I had to come show this off for you. This is the pool. This is one of the things that make people come here and never leave this place when they take that tour, especially for the price. And like I said, you will get the price later on in the video. But it might be in the title, just so I can try to attract you, motherfucker, and try to attract you to watch it then. But yeah, man, this is my favorite spot at the pool right here, though. When I'm sitting right here, especially when it's like not as hot. I haven't been in the pool yet, man, because that stereotype that black people can't swim might have some type of ring to it, because I can't swim, guys. But anyway, we're not going to worry about that. We're going to worry about this condo tour. Just the views, man. I come out here and I chill all day. So now we're about to walk up to the rooftop garden. Let's go check that out real quick. I ended up sitting at that pool for a long time, man. Oh, they got a bathroom out here too at the pool, man. Nice little bathroom. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta go all the way back downstairs to go to the bathroom. I know y'all can't hold y'all. I know y'all can't hold y'all bladder because y'all be drinking too much, ain't it? You come to Bangkok, I know you want to drink a little bit now. Have a little bit of fun. I'm not a big drinker like that, but I will turn up and have some fun now. But that's what life is about, man. You gotta enjoy yourself and appreciate the time you have here, brother. Please do that. Do it for yourself. Don't do it for me. I was about to say do it, but don't do it for me. Do it for you. You the one deserve it. What I like about this building, man, it's so many places you can just come get views from, even coming up these stairs. But listen, man, we up here at the garden. So let's show you where we at. It's pretty hot out here today. I love it too. So we up here at the garden, skytop garden. You know, it ain't much it ain't a lot, but you know, it's a good place if you want to come get some views and just be around some green space a little bit. You know, I'm not gonna spend too much time up here, man, but I gotta give you a good little walkthrough, you know what I mean? I will hope you know what I mean. But yeah, man. Listen, man. So now we at the private spa. But you know, you gotta book this. You can't just go in there. I don't think you can. Yeah, you can't just go in. Let me try my key card and see. You gotta book it though. Yeah, you gotta book it. You gotta book it, man. It's hard to get in there sometimes, especially like late at night. Okay, so here we go in the first gym. This is why I come beat the bag up when I'm sad, man. No, I'm just playing. I don't never be sad. I don't be sad, man, but sometimes you go through some things. But yeah, man, first gym. Up there, it's like another co-worker space up there. I'm not going up there to show you all that. It's another co-worker space on the other side of this. I'm not showing all that either. But yeah, man, come in. This is the first gym, by the way. The amenities at this place are ridiculous. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Got me a quick workout in. I know you probably think I just did that for the video, which I kind of did at first, but then I'm just like, shoot, let's knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. So we're going up 1 more floor to the last gym. This will be the last thing I show you. Listen, man, this is a condo tour. I ain't showing y'all my room, man. Y'all don't need to see that. It's junky. I ain't cleaned it up or nothing, but I might show it to you just because I don't really care. Okay, now we inside the big gym with the equipment and stuff like that. I don't really like the equipment. It ain't really, I mean, it's enough to get the job done, man, but it's not like a lot of heavy free weights in here. And I lift pretty heavy, man. I'm stronger than I may look. Like, but I'm not trying to flex strength or nothing like that. Cause I mean, what kind of flex is that, you know? Anybody can get strong. But let me show you the views you get when you're working out sometimes. You know, you can see the pool from right there. You can see the pool from right there. And this, some of the equipment they got, it's okay. It's enough to get the job done as long as you know what you're doing, you know. A lot of cardio machines in here. I don't really do cardio on machines. It's just too boring for me. Way too boring. Yeah, just wanted to show that out for you. Then you got another spot back here where you can kind of like duck off and get on the balls and get on the balls. I'm so childish. Yeah, come back here, do your little thing, whatever you're trying to do. Yeah, that's me right there, guys. If you didn't know, that's MaineGoingGlobal right there. That's me. That's me right there. Oh, last thing I'm gonna show you is just the views when you're working out up here. You know, this may make it a little funner working out up here, but I don't do cardio machines, man. I'd rather just go out and walk or play basketball or something like that. But yeah, guys, that's it, man. That's all I'm showing you in here. So like and subscribe if you like the content, please, or whatever.